Morning, everybody. It is 8:30 on this Wednesday morning, a new month, 1st of November. And this is your pre-opening comment. It is video number 1965 today. Okay, let me start by giving you the ADP numbers, which were pretty much just in line. Expectations were for about 130. They actually came in at 113. So this isn't important enough to be good news is bad news or bad news is good news. But I will say that before the number came out, the futures were up, down 108, and the NASDAQ was down 52, and the S&P was down 14. Right now, the Dow has regained a little bit. It was down 130 early. Right now, it's down only 87. The NASDAQ is down 24, and the S&P also has come back a bit. Okay, last night we had earnings from AMD. And you couldn't have seen much more action than that. The stock had closed. Well, let me start by saying they beat uh, top and bottom line, but their guidance for the quarter was not great. So the stock, which had closed at 98.51, up 233, went up to 99 and change, then down to 93 and change, then back up to 99. And when it closed off the session last night, it was about 98 and a half. This morning, the stock is a little bit lower. Let's just take a look here. Right now, it's a very quiet inside day. The last is 97.30, and that is down $1.20. Paycom with a beat top and bottom line. That's PAYC if you're unfamiliar with it. It's a former $560 stock that closed yesterday at 245. This morning got as low as 152. Last is 156. And that's, let's see, 156 is down about 92. Actually, right now, it's still falling. It's just been as low as 150 and a quarter now. Last 150, 140, that's down 93 or 38%. WeWork's kind of interesting. Company's going bankrupt yet again. In case you have forgotten, this was the brainchild of the only guy who actually got money, over $1 billion, when they bought him out. WeWorks was originally, or the peak of its private valuation was 47 billion. Right now it's 100 million. So only, 97, 98% to the downside. Wayfair, letter W, missed on revenue, beat on earnings. Reaffirmed next year, but not this year. It closed 42.61. This morning it's 36 low and 37 last. That 37 on the last is down about $6 and change. Okay, chart on the screen is the oil. Went right yesterday, right to the 100-day moving average. Didn't bounce much, but this morning, even though it's still an inside day and bound on the bottom by that 100-day and the top of the 5-day, uh, we'll have to see how this comes out of there. The relative strength has been low, looks like it's trying to break to the upside. So we'll have to see how that one goes. As far as the rest of the markets, the grains continue soft. Silver and gold are split. Gold up 1.5, silver down 15 cents. As I mentioned, the crude oil is up $1.85. Nat gas is slightly lower, down a dime after being up about 30 cents in the last couple of days. Uh, let's see, S&Ps, the dollar index is up another 24 cents. Bonds are down a half a dollar. Bitcoin down about $2. Let me just see if there's anything that we missed that we want to go over. And I would say 9:45, October S&P Global U.S. Manufacturing PMI. Manufacturing is not where the increase came from in the AGP numbers. That came from services, and a huge piece of it from services. We have construction spending at 10 o'clock, crude inventories at 10:30, and of course we have the FOMC today at 2 o'clock, followed by the press conference at 2:30. All right, everyone, have a good day. I'll be back.